Hi guys, welcome back. Let's get started. Open Canva and go to the Apps tab. There you will find the text-to-image app, or go to the search bar and search for text-to-image. Click on the text-to-image app. This is the text-to-image Canva AI. This app is free to everyone, so you don't need any upgrade to use Canva AI, but with the limitation of only 100 images per day. So, make it useful. We have some styles here and we can select our aspect ratio also. All we have to do is enter the text prompt in the text box. This website is called Lexica. This works similar as Canva AI. Here we can see the text prompt of these images and we can copy it. So we will have some ideas. Let's find some prompt here and use it in our Canva AI. We can't get the exact image, but we use it to create similar images. Okay guys, let's use this prompt. Copy this and paste here. Click Create Your Image button and let the Canva AI do the job. This will create 4 images every time you click Create button. If you are not satisfied with the Create Image, click Create Again button to create different images. Let's select this image. This will be saved in your Uploads tab. This looks similar to the original one. As I told before, we can't get the exact image. So try it yourself. If you have any questions, comment below, and if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.